So how many of y'all have got one of these and got one of those and they want to ride with you, and I want them to ride with me, but the problem is her old muddy butt or them claws poking holes in my seats, and I needed a solution for that. StarKnight MT came to the rescue and got us exactly what we need so that old Dolly here can ride with us in the front seat on them nasty days or them hot days or them cold days, riding the air conditioning or the heat or just otherwise with everything open and riding in the front instead of in the back. And I mean, you want to keep your stuff nice, don't get me wrong, but you want your partner to be able to enjoy everything with you too. So very excited about what we got in today. Getting this stuff put on the bike. Can't wait to show y'all. You want to tell them about your seats? Now you can sit on them and you can ride on them. So obviously Polaris does a really good job with its seat setup in their Northstar edition. This the only one I can really speak to because that's the one that I've got. This is a 2025 XP 1000 Northstar Ultimate. And beautiful, thick, very comfortable, plenty of support, really nice seats, right? This passenger side and center section kind of opens it up for a bucket storage or whatever, but usually that's where my passenger partner likes to ride. And you can already see some of the scuff marks on the seat from old Dolly jumping up in there. Load up. That's where she likes to ride. Of course, she don't know what I'm doing now. So there you go. But them dirty paw prints and them, you know, claws with an excited puppy can wreck a deadgum seat. Well, we were putting towels and whatnot down here for her, and she would sit on that and ride right along with us. But that gets aggravating. You gotta bring it in and out. You gotta go get one of Mama's towels out of the house and bring it here with you. And so we really kind of wanted something of our own. So Dolly, here. So check out what we got from StarKnight MT. Some really nice seat covers. The package simply is 3. You got one that goes across the back, which catches both of the seat backrest. You got one that goes under the driver's side. Everything has got some elastics sewn in. They got some buckles for attachment, the ability to secure it and tighten it up, hold them in place. And obviously this is the one on the passenger side and the center because of the way that it's cut. And again, more straps, more buckles, some elastic weight bands all the way around it to really hold it secure to this seat. Should tuck in really nice right under there, fit in really nice back in here on the back side of this. Haven't put these on before, don't know really what to expect, but man, I'm looking forward to this being a solution so that my little partner can ride with me and not really messing that seat up. So let's see if we can get these things installed here real quick. Alright, so let's start with the passenger bottom. Unbuckle these buckles. kind of get an idea of the layout here. Push the buckles in underneath the seat. Go ahead and get them down there. Kind of try to make sure that it's not twisted. Good. Really nice. All right, on to the driver's seat. Cushion protector. I don't know if you know this, but you can pull this seat up with that little clasp. Nice little spot down here to store anything in case you need to. So I'm gonna see about getting my straps up through the bottom first. Work around the seat adjustment lever. Give myself a little slack. And just as you saw earlier, little buckles. Snug those up nice and snug. Oh, I got it in the way of my lever, so I got to work it around that slide adjustment lever. There we go. Tuck them in there nicely. Like it. All right, let's see if we can get this back one on. All right, now that we've got these backs popped out, giving us good access to that inside, or the behind actually. The other thing we need to do is to index this driver's seat forward. It's got a slide seat on it. That'll come on out, and what that'll do is give us way better access to the back side of this. So since we're on this side, let's go ahead and start there. Hook our little buckles up. Make sure we get that seatbelt on the correct side here. And again, this one's pulled out enough to where you can really reach all the way down in there. Get our little strap over. Pull it on down. Now that is really nice and tight. We need to pull it tight, get it sucked down in there. Tuck that over on the back side. All right, everything clamped now tightly back in place. Everything clamped tightly back in place. Perfect. Man, did StarKnight make this easy. StarKnight MT. Really nice. Dolly, you wanna go for a ride? Here, load up. Does it meet Dolly approval? Oh, you got some new seats? You got some new seat covers? What are you doing? You wanna go riding? Check out your new seat covers? All right, hang on a second. Good girl. Man, look how fancy this is, huh, dude? You see it? You see your new seats? And you can ride, and I'm not worried about you poking holes or getting mud on my seats. Dude, this is awesome. Alright, real quick, Dolly wanted me to ask y'all to please like and subscribe to the channel. Want to keep doing videos like this and keep growing it, and the only way we can is to get a like and a subscribe. So help a puppy dog out. And when this happens, you just wipe it off. And all clean, ready to go.